So let's say that your breakfast, lunch, and dinner are quite balanced, but come mid afternoon, you suddenly get hungry again. Or let's say towards midnight. So you head to your kitchen to grab a snack. What would you normally get? A. The easiest thing to grab in the fridge or pantry, whether healthy or not. B. Something you're craving for that's in your kitchen, even if it'll take a while to prepare it. Or C. Something you're craving for that you don't have at the moment and you're willing to go out and buy it or have it delivered. Whatever it is, if you want to make your snacking smart and balanced moving forward, then this video is for you. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Ciara. I am a certified nutritionist, PR consultant, and writer. My goal is to make nutrition and balanced eating simple and accessible because we all deserve to make the most of what food gives us, which are fuel, nourishment, and enjoyment. If you're interested in this goal as well, please feel free to subscribe to this channel where I'll have more videos about this. Before we dive into smart snacking, let me just confirm that yes, snacking is fine. In fact, if the snack is balanced with protein and fiber, it can help maintain your energy, focus, and even productivity throughout the day. Plus, it's an opportunity to add more nutrients into your overall diet, which is why the type of snack you choose is important. So going back to my question, which snack option would you get? A, B, or C? If you choose A, the easiest snack to grab and eat, then you're like me and like most people. The snacks we typically reach for are those that are most convenient and within arm's reach. This aligns with the psychology of habits and decision making. Why does accessibility matter? First, there's effort bias. This is where we tend to choose the path of least resistance. These are the options that require the least effort, especially when you're busy or hungry. And second is time sensitivity. When you feel like you have so many more things to do in such little time, you'll prioritize convenience over effort when it comes to things like having a snack. So that's why having healthy snacks readily available can make all the difference. So with this in mind, here's how we take control of our snacking decisions. Let's start at home. These are examples of healthy snacks that are great to stock up on. Fruits, nuts, yogurt, peanut butter, hard-boiled eggs. They're whole food, meaning they have literally one ingredient only. They also come with a lot of nutrients that will keep you satiated or satisfied. Now, as much as possible, we want to limit things like high-sodium chips, candy, and overly processed snacks. They don't offer much nutrients, yet they're high-calorie, and you'll probably need to eat a lot of it to feel satisfied. But I know that it can be a challenge to completely eliminate these guilty pleasures. That's why I said limit them, not completely eliminate them. My guilty pleasures are Reese's peanut butter cups and double-stuffed Oreos dipped in cold milk. So I actually do have stock of those and treat myself to them every once in a while. This aligns with the abundance mindset, where you believe that there are plenty of options to fuel your body. This promotes a healthier relationship with food, making eating a source of nourishment and enjoyment. This is the direct opposite of a scarcity mindset, where you think that food is limited and eating is about restrictions or guilt. So if you want to shift to an abundance mindset, instead of, I can't eat dessert, think, I'm choosing to nourish my body with wholesome food and I can enjoy treats in moderation. The idea is to not deprive yourself, but to make healthy snacks just as effortless and enticing as the less healthy ones. Rather than eating straight out of a full bag of chips or a pint of ice cream, take a moderate portion and put it in a bowl. Eat it, check in with yourself, and if you're still hungry, portion it out again. If you're full, you can wrap it up. This way, we avoid overeating. Now, this is totally optional, but this can help make prepping and putting together snacks a lot easier. Prep a snack box. You can get these containers with little dividers anywhere to diversify your snack and portion it out in moderate sizes. For this big section, I'll add some fiber like fruits with peanut butter or maybe even veggie sticks with hummus. For this part, I'll add a protein source like egg or nuts. Then for this part, I'll add something that I really like that can be indulgent, like some chocolate. Then for this part, a tea bag. In this scenario, I will start with the fiber to line my stomach, then the protein to help keep me full, then the chocolate. Now you'll notice that I only prepped a handful of chocolate, and that's because by the time I'm done with my nutritious food, I won't have a big appetite for the indulgent food anymore. And that really helps with portion control. Then the tea, of course, is optional, but I do like having tea after eating to help with digestion. You can have the snack box in your kitchen, so anytime you feel like snacking, you don't need to rummage through your fridge and just grab whatever's there. You already have your snack box prepped, and you know that it will fuel you up properly. Again, convenience is key. Now, before you actually decide to have a snack, it's a good practice to pause and ask yourself if you're really hungry. There are a lot of reasons why you can resort to eating that's not necessarily hunger. Maybe you're bored and food is usually your solution. Or maybe you're stressed and looking for a distraction. Or maybe checking your fridge for something to eat has become a habit even when you're not really that hungry. Emotional eating and mindless grazing are common and can lead to overeating. A tip to check if you're really hungry is to drink a glass of water. Dehydration can sometimes mimic hunger, so thirst can sometimes feel like hunger. Then after a few minutes, if you still feel hungry, like empty stomach, low energy, in need of fuel, then by all means, go have your snack. If it turns out that you're not that hungry after all, you can explore alternatives that can address how you're really feeling. If you're bored, find an activity that you've been meaning to do but haven't gotten around to yet. If you're stressed or feeling emotional, do something that you personally find relaxing or therapeutic. Tuning into your hunger signals can help you become less dependent on food in cases that don't really have anything to do with hunger. Just like your main meals, snacking can be done mindfully if you really focus on your snack. So ideally, no phone, no TV, no distractions. Now you might protest, what about popcorn during a movie? Well, if you can focus on your snack while watching a movie, then why not? The point really is to avoid mindlessly and speedily snacking because before you know it, you've eaten your snack too quickly and your body wasn't given much time to process when it's had enough. So eat slowly and really savor and appreciate your snack. Your body will thank you for it. When you're not home, the same snacking principles apply. We tend to choose what's most accessible in our current environment, whether we're at work, in the mall, or traveling. We tend to rely on what's available, and this might not align with your nutrition goals. For example, snacks in a vending machine, convenience store, or fast food joint. So a couple of things to consider. You can carry healthy snacks in your bag, like maybe a trail mix with nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. Other great portable options are protein bars, those with minimal sugar or preservatives, sliced fruit, or roasted chickpeas. Or if you're really just craving for that cookie in the bake shop, you can instead focus on moderation, keeping it at only one cookie, and enjoyment since you only have this once in a while, ideally. So with these good snacking mindsets and practices, you'll be able to master the art of smart snacking and feel good about your choices. Smart snacking helps keep energy levels stable, prevent overeating, and satisfy cravings without guilt. What's your go-to healthy snack? Let me know through the comments. Hopefully this video provided some helpful snacking insights that you can apply to your own lifestyle. If so, please feel free to like this video and again, subscribe to this channel for more to come. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.